Allah is most merciful and most beneficent. Respected teachers and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Izan and I am a student of class 9.
My name is Yahya and I am also the student of class 9.
Today our presentation topic is about dialogue between two students regarding prayer. Let's start with you.
Well, now I want to take some rest and then take my leave.
So you take some rest while I fix the picture of landscape on the wall with this sticking tape.
Nice, that looking very nice. Now we should go masjid for prayer.
I am going to the bazaar. I shall return soon.
No, we'll go masjid for prayer. Are you hearing a Moses call for us?
Yes, I am hearing, but I am going out for an urgent piece of work. Sorry, bro, I am going.
Nothing is important in the world than a prayer.
I can't understand it. Work is too much and life is short. We have to do much more in this world. There are so many amusements like sports, games, TV, cricket, and things etc. Sorry, bro, I am going.
I am not rejecting, but I sincerely wish that we don't miss our prayer because prayer gives us a good mind.
Sorry, bro, I am tired of your sermon.
Bro, listen. Allah gave us so many things like nose, ears, eyes, and so other things. So we can sing as a prayer.
Sorry, bro, I fear Allah and I am ready to go to the masjid with you.